Today I'm making my French lentil soup with star ingredient smoked paprika. If you've only ever used paprika, you want to start trying smoked paprika. The flavor is amazing. And I decided to add some finely diced parsnip in here and also purple sweet potato. I think it's going to be so good. So I'll show you the finished soup.
And here we go. All of the veg, the lentils, and the spices are in the pot cooking up. This is a big batch, double batch I'm making tonight. See, this pot's huge and it's already smelling so good.
I am so happy with how this turned out. First, I have a huge batch, so I can freeze some. I'm going to be sending some to Bridget in university, and it smells so incredible. It's got lots of veg in there, the sweet potato, the carrot, the parsnip. I think I'm just going to add some fresh herbs, and then we're going to serve this with some bread and cashew cheese, and I'm going to just wilt some kale to have with it as well. So recipe link is in the description. Give this one a try.